Want to block someone on TikTok fast? Dealing with spam or annoying users? Here's the quickest way to block or unblock anyone. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make social media apps and tech features simple for everyone. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Find the person you want to block by tapping their username or profile picture. You can also use the search feature to locate their account quickly. Step 2. Once you are on their profile page, look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the arrow icon or share menu to open additional options. This menu contains several actions you can take on that account. Step 3. In the menu that appears, scroll until you find the block option. Tap block to start the blocking process. TikTok will immediately prepare to restrict that user from interacting with you. Step 4. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This message asks if you are sure you want to block this account. Tap block again to confirm your decision. How to unblock someone. Step 5. If you ever want to unblock someone, start by opening TikTok. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. This takes you to your personal account dashboard. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We share simple TikTok tips, social media tricks, and smartphone tutorials to help you get the most out of your apps. Step 6. On your profile page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the options list. This section contains all your account and privacy controls. Step 7. Inside Settings, tap the Privacy option. This area controls who can interact with your profile and content. Scroll through the privacy options to find the blocked accounts list. Step 8. Scroll down until you see blocked accounts. Tap this option to open the full list of users you have blocked. You will now see every account currently restricted from your profile. Step 9. Find the account you want to unblock in the list. Tap Unblock next to their username. Once confirmed, that user will regain access to interact with your profile. Now you know exactly how to block or unblock someone on TikTok in just a few taps. If you want to learn more TikTok tips like privacy tricks, hidden features, and growth strategies, check out the next tutorial on Preyo Phonie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.